नुस्तेमारीची उदरगत करपाक नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ओशनोग्राफी संस्थेच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी आणि विज्ञानिकांनी अरबी समुद्राच्या अभ्यासाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान मजत करची अशी मागणी दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतान केल्या। नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ओशनोग्राफीन आयोजीत केल्ले संवसारीक दर्या दिसाचे कार्यावळीत मुख्यमंत्री उलयतालो। अविज्ञानीक आणि अनियंत्रित नुस्तेमारी आणि दर्यो इबाड करपी वेव्हाराक लागून दर्याचें लुकसाण जाला। केंद्र सरकाराचो सागरमाला प्रकल्प दर्याच्या अभ्यासा खातीर फायद्याचो थारतलो।
It is not worthy that the oceans as the key to our economy, with an estimated of the 40 million of the peoples being employed in the ocean-based industry by 2030. The central government has promoted the Sagarmala project, the aiming at stepping up the potential of our rivers and oceans, increasing the productivity and the output of the nation's potential. In many recent I have participated recently in the Sagarmala meeting in New Delhi, and I have emphasized the need of the combination of the efforts of involving the NIO skills and the training in the Sagarmala project, which will be the more effective for this type of studies. My government is equally concerned about maintaining the balance and ecological conditions and the requirement of the progress of our nation. Hence, I am of the firm opinion that the NIO's role to prove the path of breaking wells. On this day, I call upon students of the oceanography to share their knowledge and research, and with the government, they suggest the way and means to improve the conditions of our part of the Arabian Sea. We will be appreciated that we get the suggestions from you as to know and how we can promote and increase the fish productivity by adopting the modern ways and cultures of the various fish varieties as you did in the mussels culture.